Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Albrecht Buick GMC in Wakefield, Massachusetts, we have the 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 SLE. This one has the 6.6 liter gasoline V8, mated to the Allison 10-speed automatic, Summit white over jet black, X31 off-road pack, 61,065 sticker. This one's the double cab, so slightly smaller back seat. SLE value, SLE convenience, upgraded wheels, gooseneck fifth wheel prep, X31 off-road pack, 2-speed transfer case, snowplow prep. So all the equipment that you are really going to need. This is a big bed. Just tell me what size bed's on it. No. Of course it doesn't. Either that or I just am absolutely blind and can't see. But either way, it's probably a 6-foot bed, maybe a little bit more. Multi-pro tailgate. So this is more of a facelift than a redesign. You're really gonna tell the difference up front, and you're gonna tell the difference inside, which will work our way that way. New grille, new front lights, new front bumper. So it's definitely a facelift and a interior refresh. No running boards on this one. Look at the truck is up above the step-in point, is like where my pockets are. So it is a huge step up. Hoist yourself inside. But once you're inside, check out. This is an SLE. This is not a Denali, nothing like that. This is absolutely a huge step in the right direction. And I did get a chuckle. This thing has a full tank of gas. The range is 639 miles. Yeah, that is massive. New infotainment system, all your different trailers, your Bluetooth, everything like that. Everything with Google and Alexa built in. All your different climate settings. So pretty darn cool. You do have all hard buttons down here for it, which if you're gonna put climate in the infotainment, give me hard buttons to deal with as well. Still have the column shifter, which on a heavy duty truck is what I would want. Speaking of heavy duty truck, because we're going right into our bumpy road test, suspension, it's built to be loaded up. So when you're unloaded, a little bit of a rougher ride than your 1500s, but it's not unbearable. And once you have this, this suspension's built to have a load on it. So it's definitely meant to be compressed a bit more than drive around unloaded. I've not ever seen a motorcycle police officer in Massachusetts. That's the first time for everything, I guess. I love the new digital gauges. Like everything in this interior, well, let's be honest. Yes, exterior of a truck matters, but the interior is where you're gonna be spending 99% of your time. So that is where I would want the majority of the effort spent. now that I just had a heart attack because I was just followed by an officer. Even when you do nothing wrong, and anybody watching this video can attest to this, even if you're doing nothing wrong, if there is a police officer behind you, you get nervous. Every single time. You're like, did I? No. Am I doing this wrong? I don't care if your car is inspected, insured, everything, and you know you're doing nothing wrong, you question yourself. So like I was saying, that's why I was a little bit silent. I'm like, is he pulling me over right now? Why is he following me? Why is he taking every turn that I do? Whatever. So, this redesign, well, facelift, I should say, refresh. And why is everybody blowing up my phone all of a sudden? They have a limited number of dealer plates at the dealership, so I need to make sure that they're not blowing up my phone for me to come back and give them a plate. So that's the only reason I'm even glancing at my phone right now. It's absolutely gorgeous area. Never been to Wakefield before in my life, so definitely happy I'm here now because this is gorgeous. I don't know what the GM factory uses for their windshield washer fluid, but it smells so good. I don't know, guys, I don't know. Listen, I'm hungry. I haven't eaten since 7 a.m. All right. Maybe I'm losing my mind, but every time I review a brand new GM product, I have to use the washer fluid and give it a smell. I don't know why, but that's like every new car has its own unique burning smell, just from the protective stuff on the exhaust for shipping. Like the new GMC Yukons smell like burning pretzels. That's a McLaren GT. Just chilling there. Looks like Papaya Spark. Now that I'm shooting in 4K, you guys can probably tell that is a sweet spec. Or might be a Volcano Orange, but it kind of looks like Papaya Spark. No, Volcano Orange is dark. That's definitely Papaya Spark. Maybe Morocco Orange, or Morocco, I mean. I mean, let's be honest, 90% of this video has been interior. I have plenty of videos on the previous 2500 Sierras and Silverados. Compare the two. How cheap the previous interior felt versus now. If you start digging, yeah, you're gonna find some cheaper materials. It's the only reason you can get this truck at a relatively cheap price point. But the overall feel of everything is 160 times better than it was. And I don't care what you say. That's correct, and you know it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.